Welcome to our monthly blog for March. And as you can see, this seat is empty. Kimberly's not here. She's away in the United States, in sunny Sedona. So you have just me for this month. We have several things to update you on. Firstly, our online workshop, which is coming up on March the 8th. With Maggie Whitehouse. This is a really interesting day's workshop. And Maggie has written a little bit about it, which you can find on the web. It's called The Cry of Myth, and she is arguing that in these days of uncertainty and difficulty in the wider world, with people rushing about, ideas changing, fake news, and so on and so forth, we need those deeper inner certainties that come from myth and legend. And she is wanting to discuss these deeper archetypes that we can reach, we can communicate with, we can connect to in order to center ourselves in these days. So I think a fascinating workshop that Maggie is going to be running for us on March the 8th. There are still places, so please do go to the web or pick up the phone, ring us on 01628 628 915, and we can help you book your place. Also coming up soon, of course, is Lent, and Lent begins on the 5th of March. And our Lent program is very similar to last year. We have our evening Lent services starting at 8:30 in the evening until 9 o'clock. And in the Lent services, we read and reflect and meditate on our Lent booklet reflections in the garden. This is the latest one. You can get this again by contacting us. We've still got plenty of copies. If you take the Daily Word, it's free. So just give us a ring and we'll send you your free copy. If you don't take the Daily Word, it'll cost you £2.95, including postage. So do contact us to get your copy. And then you can join us for this evening service. You can join us anyway, but it'd be nice for you to have the booklet with you so you can follow the reading each night. So those are the two important things I wanted to mention. There is one last thing I'd like to mention, which is our source page, which I've been responsible for building up over the last few weeks. And I just want to let everyone know that our source page contains a real treasury of recordings, videos, and audios, which you can listen to at the click of your mouse. It is a page which you can only reach if you tithe to Unity, if you're a friend or a sponsor or a patron, or if you give regularly to Unity, you can get to our page. We can give you the information on our page. If you want to tithe and want to take advantage of this page, do again contact us. There are some lovely recordings. There's audiobooks, there's meditations, there's some wonderful archive recordings of David Davenport, who was a marvelous minister at Unity many years ago. But there's also more modern material. There are current talks or recent talks by people like Ken Bradley and Kimberly, of course, and others. So please do take advantage of that page if you already tithe. And if you would like to tithe and like to take advantage of that page, contact us. So that's our little blog for this month. So wish you all well and wish you a productive and rich period of reflection through Lent. Bye-bye.